Okay.
Shoot that way.
That's safety.
Put the safety on.
The safety is
And
on.
Sam, you don't really aim that well. You
Beep.
just line up the middle of the gun, that little knob in the front, and you aim it at the plaything. Yeah. And what you're going to want to do, Sam,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever you're putting that on, that's what you're doing.
I'm scared.
Don't be. Come on, Melissa. You can do this.
up with that little ball right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to start off down, and you're going to bring it up.
Think of the worst person you know and pull.
The top of it is that's when you're going to shoot.
Pull.
I'm gonna get hurt.
You're not going to get hurt, Melissa. It's just a gun.
Okay, wait.
You ain't got to point at your toes.
Alright, ready?
Go. How was that, Melissa?
This shit hurts so bad.
Robbie.
That was not the answer I was looking for.
On or forward safety off. I already got the safety off.
Wow.
All right, Sam. Come on, girl.
Hold on.
Melissa already shot hers. Come on, Sam.
Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Wow.
Hold on.
You'll have a little bruise there. Don't worry about it. You'll get over it.
I need to get the camera. Hold on.
I got it rolling. Come on now.
I had to get this
I
one.
want to, like, at least try it again
Go.
before I...
Go.
That's how the real man takes it, though. Back here.
Back up, folks.
Why?
You were shooting! I at least looked!
She doesn't have any bullets in it.
No, this time.
She didn't open her eyes!
Not this time.
Somebody take that from her.
She closed her eyes
Take
when she
that
shot
from
it.
her.
Oh, come on, you two.
I got a picture of her shooting a gun.
Of me?
Of her. I didn't get one of you.
What?
Because it was off, and I was trying to teach Sam how to not be a girl.
One more time. Come on now. All right, let Melissa shoot again so Cameron can get a picture of her, because I've just got this on record.
I'm not shooting skeet yet.
I'm not shooting skeet yet.
You're not a big girl. Bump. You loaded?
Shut up, you're a big boy.
Bump. I'm a big boy.
Cameron, ready?
Hold up. You be right. Wait, Melissa, you gonna shoot one?
You want to help me?
No, you're gonna shoot a skeet.
Come on, Melissa, you're going to do it.
Straight.
Hey.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm scared to.
Come on.
Come on, Melissa, you can do it.
No, you missed horribly. But you tried.
I did try.
You got it?
Good.
Woo!
I didn't know what she was shooting. I didn't get her actually shooting.
You just suck it.
That's okay, I've been
I wouldn't
recording
have
her the whole
anyway.
time.
Your camera's too bad to catch the smoke. Sammy, want to shoot the powerful one?
That's all right, Melissa.
It hurts.
We'll download this real quick and we can do the picture. Are you okay?
Yeah.
A little shocking, right? I mean, you got to get used to something you get used to. Come on
I
now.
could get used to that. I mean, if I, like...
Did it more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I naturally did. Like... No, like, just the
Right in your
kickback.
arm, the kickback. Yeah. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Ooh, she's a pretty girl.
What is that down at 12?
Yeah, all
All of them are 12 right now.
Mine and his are 12.
Yeah, they're all 12 gauge now.
Having a bruise tomorrow.
This is the girls comparing their bruises now.
Wow. So bad.
You guys okay?
That's a power rush. Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh.
Sam, come on, your turn.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Why?
What's the matter, honey?
I might do it later. I don't know yet.
The beer can? What beer can?
They're not chasing me, Melissa. Alright, hold on one sec.
Don't choke.
Oh my gosh, don't say.
Don't choke.
I don't choke. Alright, Robbie?
Cameron catches. Everyone else throws.
I don't choke. That beer can was mine.
What did I shoot?
12.
A 12 gauge.
22 air.
Oh. Which one did she
air
shoot?
with a 22.
No. She didn't shoot air. She just shot the gun.
Shoot
I got
air.
22.
Oh, did you?
I missed the ski.
20 gauge. 20 gauge. I got it.
I shot a 20?
We should let her try and shoot
Yeah.
the can. That's not moving at least. It's not
What are you trying to say?
Wait, what did you say again?
What?
What did you say right after you shot it?
Son of a bitch.
There we go.
That would be it.
It hurt.
No, but
Maybe
there's
I'll
no
try it
bitch.
later. That hurt.
She went so
Hi.
southern for a second. She was like, "Some bitch."
Shut your mouth.
Hey, baby girl. Who wants a baby girl?
Just ammo, dummy.
What's the matter,
Oh
Dave?
my God! Drop it. All right. Oh.
Hi. You are so cute. Oh.
Hey, Junior.
You're not no blockhead, though. I know that.
That one.
Blockhead, though.
That was me.
You're